Welcome to our channel. Today, we're exploring the incredible spice that's taking the health world by storm, turmeric. Turmeric has been used for thousands of years, originating from Southeast Asia, particularly in India. It's derived from the root of the Curcuma longa plant and has been a staple in traditional Ayurvedic medicine. Turmeric is packed with health benefits. Its active compound, curcumin, is a potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory agent. It helps reduce inflammation, manage arthritis symptoms, improve digestion, and may even lower the risk of heart disease. Recent studies suggest that turmeric can boost brain function and help in the prevention of certain cancers. Turmeric is not just about curcumin, it's also rich in vitamins and minerals. It contains vitamin C, vitamin E, vitamin K, potassium, iron, and magnesium. These nutrients contribute to its overall health-promoting properties, enhancing immunity and supporting bodily functions. There are numerous ways to incorporate turmeric into your diet. It can be used as a spice in cooking, adding a warm, earthy flavor to curries, soups, and rice dishes. Turmeric tea, also known as golden milk, is a popular way to enjoy its benefits. You can also take turmeric supplements or mix turmeric powder into smoothies for a health boost. In conclusion, incorporating turmeric into your daily routine can offer significant health benefits. Whether you add it to your meals or enjoy it as a supplement, turmeric is a versatile and powerful addition to a healthy lifestyle. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more health tips.